Good morning, students. Myself Ajay Gundawar, chemistry faculty, medical home classes. Today we'll discuss lecture 10 on P block element, that is 16th group elements. Here the topic is allotropes of sulfur. कौन सा बेटा? Allotropes of sulfur. कल अपन पढ़े थे डाइनाइट्रोजन, नाइट्रिक एसिड, डाइऑक्सीजन एंड ओजोन. उसके अगले वाला टॉपिक रहेगा एलोट्रोप्स ऑफ सल्फर. नाउ सल्फर एग्जिस्ट इन सेवरल एलोट्रोपिक फॉर्म्स एंड अमंग दिस फर्स्ट वन rhombic or octahedral or alpha sulfur. Second one monoclinic, prismatic or beta sulfur. Third one gamma sulfur. Fourth one colloidal or delta sulfur. Fifth one plastic or X sulfur. So these are allotropic forms of sulfur. First one देखो यहाँ alpha sulfur. Alpha sulfur is the most common form of sulfur and stable at temperature below 95 degrees, 95.6. It is soluble in carbon disulfide and its crystal structure contains cyclic Si rings. Okay, so एक सल्फर में कितने एटम्स रहेंगे? 8 और उसका स्ट्रक्चर रहेगा ये, इसको बोलते हैं क्राउन रिंग शेप. देखो यहाँ कितने कार्बन? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. ईच कार्बन पे क्या है? एक सल्फर. नाउ द बॉन्ड एंगल इज 107 degrees and bond length that is 204 picometers. This is about alpha sulfur. फटाफट से इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो. देखो बेटा सेकंड वन मोनोक्लिनिक और बीटा सल्फर. मोनोक्लिनिक और बीटा सल्फर इज stable above 369 K. It is prepared by melting rhombic sulfur or alpha sulfur and cooled. Removing after cooling, it forms a crust. After removing of crust, we'll get needle shaped of beta sulfur, and shape of the beta sulfur is needle shape. Beta sulfur is firm. It is soluble in again carbon disulfide. It is also contain S8 rings. देखो अल्फा सल्फर में भी S8 था, यहाँ भी. It also contain S8 ring, but the mode of packing is different. Now alpha sulfur is stable below 369 K और उसी को यहाँ लिखे थे अपन 95.6 degrees and transform into beta sulfur above this temperature. Okay, so 369 K above गया है तो beta sulfur बनेगा. At 369 K both are stable and this temperature is called as transition temperature. So 369 below will get alpha sulfur, above 369 will get beta sulfur. At 369 both are stable and the temperature is called as transition temperature. Now third one gamma sulfur. It is obtained by decomposing ethylene xanthate of copper 1 in pyridine or hot solution of carbon disulfide. It slowly changes to alpha and beta forms of sulfur and again it also contains S8 rings. So देखो gamma किसके साथ बन रहा है? Decomposing of ethylene xanthate of copper and changes it into alpha and beta forms of sulfur. And fourth one colloidal or delta sulfur. When hydrogen sulfide react with nitric acid, simply will get colloidal sulfur and nitrogen dioxide and water. Again, if it react with hydrogen sulfide, plus SO2. It means hydrogen sulfide react with sulfur dioxide. Simply we will get water and colloidal sulfur. This is about colloidal or beta sulfur. फटाफट से इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो बच्चों. देखो बच्चों, फिफ्थ वन प्लास्टिक और एक्स सल्फर. When molten sulfur heated to about 350 degrees centigrade and poured into cold water will get plastic sulfur, and it is soft rubber like mass. It hardens on standing and changes gradually into rhombic or alpha sulfur. It is soluble in carbon disulfide. It can be converted into fibers when heated in atmosphere of nitrogen at 300 degrees centigrade for few minutes. We'll get polymeric helical chains of sulfur, and it is also considered as super cooled liquid. So super cooled liquid of sulfur is plastic sulfur. Sixth one, sulfur allotropes containing cyclic structures, that is S6, S7, S10, S12, S18 and S20 rings. Among these, S6 is cyclohexasulfur and structure is chair form, and it is highly reactive. देखो S6 का चेयर फॉर्म कैसा है, इस तरह, एंड यहाँ बॉन्ड एंगल रहेगा 102.2 डिग्रीज and bond length is 205.7 picometer. Sulfur is used as an antibacterial and antifungal agent, and it is useful for human beings. Okay, फटाफट से इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो बच्चों. देखो बेटा, इसमें सेकंड टॉप है सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड. सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड प्रिपरेशन में देखो, when sulfur burns we'll get sulfur dioxide as well as sulfur trioxide, but the sulfur trioxide which we'll get, it is a little amount, that is 6 to 8% only. Remaining amount is sulfur dioxide. Second one, in laboratory method SO3 2- is called as sulfide. When it react with aqueous solution, simply we'll get sulfur dioxide plus water. But in industrial method, see here, roasting of metal sulfides will get sulfur dioxide. So first one, FeS2, it is also called as iron pyrites. When iron pyrites burns, simply we'll get iron oxide and sulfur dioxide. Second one, ZnS, its ore name is zinc blend. When zinc blend react with water, we'll get zinc oxide and sulfur dioxide. Now properties, it is a colorless gas with pungent smell and highly soluble in water. When sulfur dioxide reacted with water or hydrolysis, simply we'll get sulfurous acid. When sodium hydroxide, that is base, react with sulfur dioxide, we'll get sodium sulfide. Again sodium sulfide react with excess amount of sulfur dioxide, simply we'll get sodium hydrogen sulfide or sodium bisulfide. When sulfur dioxide react with chlorine gas in presence of catalyst, that is charcoal, we'll get SO2Cl2. आपको याद होगा, ये इसके बारे में डिस्कशन करें. Its name is sulfuryl chloride. And when sulfur dioxide react with oxygen or oxidize, sulfur dioxide is oxidized in presence of vanadium pentoxide, simply we'll get sulfur trioxide. फटाफट से इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो. देखो बच्चों, 6th one, bleaching action of sulfur dioxide. When it react with water, simply we'll get sulfuric acid and nascent oxygen. The nascent hydrogens which releases, it react with colored matter. Simply the colored matter is converted into colorless matter. And reduction nature of sulfur dioxide. Here Fe+3 ions converted into Fe+2. At the same time, SO2 is converted into SO4 2-, and MnO4, KMnO4 पोटेशियम परमैंगनेट, इसमें से क्या है परमैंगनेट. When sulfur dioxide react with permanganate ion, simply will get sulfates and Mn plus 2. And the structure is, it is having angular shape. That is, देखो resonance hybrids of S42. Its structure is looks like carbon dioxide. And uses sulfur dioxide is used in refining of petroleum industries and sugar industries. Second one, in bleaching of wool and silk, as an anti-clor, disinfectant and in preservatives. Fourth one, sulfuric acid and sodium bicarbonate like compounds preparation में we are using sulfur dioxide. And liquid sulfur dioxide used as a solvent to dissolve number of organic and inorganic chemicals. This is about structure and uses of sulfur dioxide. फटाफट से इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो बच्चों. देखो बच्चों, we'll discuss some questions. First one, sulfur is present in barytes, zinc blend, garlic, all of this. यहाँ baryte का फार्मूला BaSO4, zinc blend ZnS. आपको तो पता है garlic में रहेगा, so इसका आंसर रहेगा all of this. Now second one, sulfur on boiling with sodium hydroxide solution. इसके लिए रिएक्शन लिखो, sulfur प्लस सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. यहाँ क्या कर रहे, बॉइलिंग कर रहे, तो अपने को मिल जाएगा Na2S2O3 प्लस Na2S. तो यहाँ कौन से ऑप्शन में है बच्चों, देखो Na2SO3 प्लस H2S नहीं. सेकंड Na2S2O3 प्लस Na2S. So sulfur on boiling with sodium hydroxide, simply will get sodium thiosulfide and sodium sulfide. Third number, the compound of sulfur used as a solvent in rubber industries. So first one, S42OHCl. Second one, sulfur dioxide. Third one, sulfur trioxide. Fourth one, H2Cl2. देखो disulfur dichloride. एंड यहां इसका आंसर रहेगा S2Cl2. फोर्थ वन, सल्फर हेप्टॉक्साइड इज एनहाइड्राइड ऑफ. पहले सल्फर हेप्टॉक्साइड का फार्मूला लिख लो बच्चों, S2O7. क्या बोला जा रहा है, इज एनहाइड्राइड मींस वाटर निकालने के बाद अपने को ये मिलेगा. सो इसमें से पहले ऑप्शन में देखो H2S2O7. फर्स्ट एक वाटर मॉलिक्यूल निकाल के देखो क्या मिलेगा, S2O7. सो सल्फर हेप्टॉक्साइड का एनहाइड्रेट किसका है, H2S2O8. इसमें से एक वाटर निकाल के देखो तो बन जाएगा S2O6 और यहां SO3 और यहां SO. So sulfur heptoxide is anhydride of इसका H2S2O8. So these are some questions on the topic which we'll discuss today. If you like my video, then like, subscribe and share. Thank you.